Well, ano bang ipuputok ng butsin nila? Wala ngang appointment. Pangalawa, why are they castigating me? Is it because of my past? Yes, I used to be a sex blogger. Doon naman nagsimula yung blog ko sex education. And I was a columnist for a sexy men's magazine. At meron po akong mga sex education videos. Noon yun, that's 6 years
Sex education videos.
Oh, yes.
Education, okay.
Yeah, very educational. 6 years ago. And people are castigating me for that. I admit it. I've done things in the past that I'm not proud of. At I'm paying my dues. Napagsisihan ko na po yun. And now, I'm trying to change. In fact, I encourage them to come out of their comfort zone. Sumama sila sa akin, mag-volunteer kami, napuntahan yung mga abandoned children and senior citizens sa mga DSWD centers.
Doon kasi sa interview mo kay Commissioner Faldon, one of the first things you said was, hindi po ako isang journalist. Why do you feel the need to say that? Bakit kailangan mong sabihin?
Kasi po ma'am, nagsimula yung pambabashing sa akin na hindi ako journalist, wala akong karapatan na mag-interview. Unang-una po nagsimula yan dahil dun sa one-on-one conversation with President Duterte. Habang nagkukwentuhan po, siya na po yung siya yung patuloy na nagkukwento nung sama ng loob niya, dun sa media, kung bakit niya...
So in other words, ang plano mo doon was parang ibibigay mo lang yung papel sa kanya, yun lang, tapos kung ano lang yung sabihin niya. So hindi mo naman talaga gustong palabasin na interview ito.
No,
parang
it's just
kinunan mo lang.
Oo, yeah, ganun lang. Conversation with the President.
Okay. But would you like to be a journalist?
No, ma'am. I leave it to the experts.
Hindi naman. Anybody can want to be a journalist, di ba?
Wala po akong I don't have any plans of entering journalism. I don't want to be a journalist. Iba po yan Ako lang po, ginagawa ko lang po is, nagiging parang tulay po ako ng ordinaryong mamamayang Pilipino at yung ating mga official po.
Well, you know the reason why I asked you, do you want to be a journalist? Kasi if you get to do those interviews and you have that access, kumbaga sa akin, you might as well do it better, di ba? Halimbawa, kung ang journalist, may tanong, may sagot, yung official, pag may sinabi siya, merong mga follow-up questions na may sinabi siyang interesting, parang ifa-follow up mo yun.
Yeah, diba? Iiwan ko na lang po sa inyo yun. Kayo po yung magagaling dyan. Ako po hanggang social media lang po tayo.
Okay. But you understand why you're being both criticized and praised again. So I keep saying both criticized and praised. You understand also?
Yes, ma'am.
But
because you can't please everyone.
Yeah. But it's interesting, you say na, iwan ko yun sa inyo. I'll leave it to you kasi social media lang po ako. So for you, there is parang iba yung journalism, iba yung social media?
Ang iniiwasan ko lang po, ma'am, dyan is yung ayokong pag-isipan nila na nagmamarunong ako. I am an entertainer. I'm a performer. At yun po ang aking expertise, yun po ang aking passion. Kaya yung journalism po, sa inyo na po yun. Ako po sa lang po. Ito.
Yeah. Hindi naman lamang. Hindi naman lang. Okay. Kanina sabi mo, that was my past. I paid my dues. I'm trying to change. So, you even... listening to you, although I don't think, usually when we see you performing, it's singing and dancing. We don't hear you talking. And listening to you across from this table, you talking like that, you do sound different. Talagang ibang dating mo.
Yes, ma'am. Siyempre, iba po kasi yung sa stage performance po yan, entertainment. And may iba rin po akong advocacy. Ito nga po yun, yung I support President Duterte voluntarily. Because I believe that we really need change in this country, and I support him in pushing good governance and exposing corruption and demanding better services for the poor and the needy.
Accountability on the part of government. So, yung dati mong mga sexy performances, wala na yon.
Yes, ma'am. Malaki na po ang difference, and I'm proud to say na hindi na po ganun.
Mahirap ba yon? Was it difficult? Kasi, syempre, yung mga tao nasanay sa'yo. So, bukod sa kinikriticize ka na parang, ba't ka nag-interview kay President Duterte? Ba't ka nag-interview kay Commissioner Faldon? sex blogger ka lang, di ba? Mel lang, sex blogger ka lang, performer ka lang, singer ka lang, ganon. Nahirapan ka ba when
You know what? Hindi ko na sila pinapansin kasi mas marami po yung mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong. Mas marami yung tao na marami pong hinaing. And dun po ako nagfo-focus. I focus my energy on the people who need help, who don't have a voice in our society. And I do everything that I can through social media. And yun nga po.
Okay. Itong transformation na ito, no, for lack of a better word, I think you would have the better word, no, change or whatever. Ano yung ugat nito? What started this? You've already said na you believe in President Duterte and what he's doing, no? Pero meron bang nangyari sa buhay mo, no? That brought this about?
Well, yung father ko kasi, he was a former judge sa Pangasinan. And he was killed in an ambush shooting. Naipakulong kasi niya ang isa sa pinakamalaking sindikato sa Pangasinan. Protektado po yun ng mga politiko. At dahil doon, pinapatay po siya. Until now, several years later, there's still no justice. Kaya, my father is like Duterte, was like Duterte. He loved our country, he's a patriot, and ginagawa po niya ako na yung tama.
What is his name?
Judge Oscar M. Uson.
What year was that when he was killed?
2000, I think mga 13 years ago.
13 years, okay. So at the time you were in college,
Yes.
no? College, you were taking medicine.
Yes. My pre-med was medtech and second year med proper, nag-drop na po ako because it's not, yung passion ko po talaga is in performing.
Singing and dancing,
Yes.
okay. But you would have been a doctor.
It would have
Dahil yun ang
been
gusto ng magulang mo.
dancing doctor.
Dancing
Kaya lang,
doctor.
I didn't want to waste my time doing something that I'm not passionate about.
Ah.
So I chose performing.
Okay. So, yung nangyari dun sa'yo, sa father mo, pero like you said, no, 13 years ago, why didn't you act on that noon pa? Why go into performing and then, yung naghahanap ka ba ng an avenue, an outlet, or what?
Well, I was already performing nung nangyari yun. Kasi pag namatayan ka, hindi talaga mabawala yung pain. And karumal-dumal yung nangyari sa ama ko eh. Pinagbabaril ko siya, riding in tandem, one shot here, dito, at saka dito po. Talagang gusto siyang patayin dahil nga po may expose yung katiwalian dun sa gobyerno, sa LGU po na yun, sa Pangasinan. Kaya ganun rin po yung tindi ng pagsuporta ko kay Duterte ngayon dahil po marami talagang mga maruruming politiko, mga mayor, mga congressman na tulad ngayon, sangkot sa droga. Kaya ganun po yung aking tindi ng pagsuporta.
You know, when you interviewed Commissioner Faildon, he had very interesting things to say. He talked about, halimbawa, kinausap niya yung presidente daw ng asosasyon na nagagalit sa plano niya maglagay ng CCTV.
Yes.
Tapos meron din siyang binanggit na merong isang forwarder na nagsasmuggle daw
Yes,
ng mga quote-unquote highly prohibited commodity. Ang daming yung mga tao na nagpapa-interview sa'yo, or well, okay, kung hindi interview, who have conversations with you that you record, they also reveal a lot. No?
Yes, ma'am.
What does it feel like to you kapag ganun nangyayari na meron silang mga sinasabi sa'yo?
Siyempre po, it's a privilege for me. I'm honored because they trust me. At alam naman po kasi nila na yung mga sinasabi nila, gusto nilang makarating po sa ordinaryong mamamayang Pilipino. Dahil kadalasan po, chinachak-chak po yun ng ibang media. Kaya doon sa Mocha Uson vlog po, as is po, nilalabas ko po yung sinasabi nila.
Okay. So, let's end this interview na sa final words mo, you just tell me kung ano na ang mga plano mo, no? What's next for you?
What's next for me is, susubukan ko pong lapitan ng iba pang mga departamento at ahensya ng ating gobyerno. At I just want to clarify na wala akong balak pasukin ng politika. Wala po akong balak tumakbo.
Whether elective or appointive.
Opo.
Oo.
Kahit pa po i-appoint. Tinanong kasi ako ano daw gagawin ko kung i-appoint ako ni Pangulong Duterte. Hindi ko pa rin po tatanggapin dahil po hindi naman po natin linya yan. Because I believe we don't need to have a position or a title to help our government or to help our country. It should be voluntary. Each and every one of us should volunteer so that we can really achieve that real change.
Okay. Mocha, thank you very much. Salamat
Thank you.
for
Thank
being
you.
here.